Hey there, new parents. Today I'm here to help you master baby feeding in just 2 minutes. Ready? Let's dive in. First things first, it's all about comfort. Make sure both you and your baby are in a cozy, relaxed position. Use pillows for extra support, and keep your baby's head slightly elevated. Next, let's talk about latch. If you're breastfeeding, ensure your baby's mouth covers not just the nipple, but also a good part of the areola. A wide open mouth is the key. For bottle feeding, hold the bottle at an angle to fill the nipple with milk, preventing air from getting in. Now, feeding cues. Look for rooting, sucking on hands, or lip smacking. These are signs your baby is hungry and ready to eat. Try to feed them before they get too fussy. Burping breaks are essential. After every few minutes of feeding, gently burp your baby. Hold them upright against your shoulder and pat their back softly. This helps release any trapped air and keeps them comfortable. Hydration is crucial too. If you're breastfeeding, drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. For bottle feeding, ensure the formula is mixed correctly. Lastly, trust your instincts. You know your baby best. Every baby is different, so find what works for you and your little one. There you have it. Master baby feeding in just 2 minutes. Remember, patience and practice are your best friends. You've got this. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more parenting tips. Catch you next time.